Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the SSD and essentials. Now start. Power down and unplug your computer, then ground yourself to avoid static damage. Once open, locate the correct bay or M2 slot and remove any standoffs or brackets. Make sure connectors match. SATA cables for 2 5-inch drives and M2 slot keyed for NVMe. Slide the drive in at the correct angle and secure it lightly. Do not fully tighten until alignment and cable routing are checked. With the drive seated, power on and enter BIOS/UEFI. You need to confirm the controller mode, ASI for SATA or NVMe enabled for M2, so the drive is recognized correctly. Once detected, boot your operating system installer or the existing OS and use disk management or the installer's partitioning tool to initialize the disk, create partitions, and format with the appropriate file system. Make sure alignment is correct for performance. For SSDs, use 1 MB alignment and avoid creating unnecessary. If this SSD is your new boot device, clone the old drive or install the OS fresh and set the drive as first in boot order. Once running, enable, trim, and install the latest firmware and storage drivers to maximize lifespan and performance. Verify health with smart tools and run a benchmark to confirm expected speeds. If the drive fails to appear or behave, power down, reset cables or the module, test alternate ports, and check BIOS settings. Often a loose
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.